CPA Tax Compliance and Planning TCP Study Guide 2026. Pass with confidence, structure, and real support. If you're preparing for CPA TCP, you already know the real problem isn't lack of information. It's too much information, scattered everywhere, leading to confusion, slow progress, and the fear that you'll still miss what the AICPA actually tests. The CPA Tax Compliance and Planning TCP Study Guide 2026 by Zane Academy is built to fix that by giving you a complete exam-focused system that turns overwhelm into clarity and confidence. What you get, built for serious CPA TCP results. This is not a light PDF. It's a full-scale, structured exam prep engine. 413 key learning outcomes, so you know exactly what matters. 750 questioning mind study points to build deep understanding, not memorization. 198 practical examples, so rules become easy and usable. 124 memory aids and mnemonics for fast recall under exam pressure. 173 formulas and equations, organized so you stop losing points on basics. 900 true-false questions, 900 fill-in-the-blanks, 900 one-word answer questions, 98 matching questions, 103 mind maps, big picture clarity plus last week revision power. And you also get a dedicated CPA exam guide section inside the study guide, packed with tips, tricks, and strategies to help you approach TCP with confidence and ease. Why CPA candidates actually buy this? Most candidates don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because they study hard but forget quickly. They revise but still feel uncertain. They watch videos but can't connect topics. They do random practice but don't improve consistently. They don't have someone to ask when they get stuck. This study guide is designed to remove those pain points, so you feel supported, guided, and in control. A realistic study plan that matches what CPA success requires. To pass the AICPA CPA exam, you need consistent effort. The recommended plan included in your description is 3 hours daily, 6 hours on weekends, for 3 months consecutively. This book is built for that exact rhythm. Daily learning plus daily revision plus constant practice, so your preparation becomes automatic and measurable. Printable PDF plus lifetime access. You get the integrated printable PDF, optimized for all screen sizes, so it works beautifully on laptop, tablet, and phone. And most importantly, access as long as you wish. No time restriction, no device restriction, meaning you can study at your pace, revisit anytime, and never fear losing access right before exam day. Complimentary support until you pass. This is where most CPA prep providers leave you alone. With Zane Academy, you get complimentary support and guidance until you pass, ask unlimited questions, get help through WhatsApp or email. When you're stuck on a tricky tax rule, planning strategy, or simulation logic, you don't waste days. You get clarity quickly and keep moving forward. Power guarantee. Zane Academy's mission is simple. Create the best CPA exam prep course at affordable pricing. That's why this offer is built around confidence. 100% confidence, support, a strong power guarantee, and a guaranteed 90% result promise, as stated in your offer messaging. This is meant to remove the emotional fear CPA candidates carry. What if I spend money and still fail? Want even stronger TCP readiness? Add exam questions 2026. To fully supplement your TCP preparation, you can pair this study guide with CPA Tax Compliance and Planning Exam Questions 2026, containing 900 MCQs with explanations of all answer choices, 43 document review simulations, DRS, 53 task-based simulations, TBS. This combination is powerful because the guide builds mastery and the question bank builds performance. Extra learning support. TCP learning videos, available on YouTube. Retention plus revision confidence. TCP learning articles accessible through the WhatsApp channel. Saves you time and money from classes, while still giving guidance and structure. The bottom line, why you should purchase this TCP study guide. If you want TCP prep that feels organized, complete, and exam-focused, easy to revise, loaded with practice, supported by real human guidance, built to help you pass with confidence. Then, the CPA TCP Study Guide in 2026 by Zane Academy is not just a purchase, it's relief. It's structure, it's momentum, it's the feeling of finally knowing I'm preparing the right way and I'm not alone.